Hey everyone! Imagine crossing a bridge that seems to hover in thin air or another that's swaying hundreds of feet above a raging river below. Some of these daring structures appear to defy all the rules of physics, making you question how they're even standing. These are no ordinary bridges. They're feats of human engineering where adventure meets pure audacity. Join us on this thrilling journey as we explore 7 jaw-dropping bridges that push the limits of design and gravity itself. From heart-stopping heights to suspended wonders, you won't want to miss this. Hussaini Hanging Bridge, Pakistan. The Hussaini Hanging Bridge in Pakistan's Gilgit-Baltistan region is known as one of the most dangerous bridges in the world. This rickety bridge offers a thrilling challenge for anyone daring enough to cross it. Imagine stepping onto old wooden planks, some missing entirely, while strong winds sway the bridge over the rushing Hunza River below. Every step tests your courage, but the reward is the stunning view of the Carrick-a-Rede mountains surrounding you. For adventure seekers, it's an unforgettable experience, mixing fear with awe. The moment you step onto the bridge, the planks wobble and excitement mingles with fear. Each step feels precarious as the narrow structure sways, with only a thin rope to steady you. The gaps between the planks require full concentration, making every movement a triumph. Reaching the middle of the bridge sends adrenaline coursing through you, while getting across feels like conquering a personal challenge. The Hussaini Hanging Bridge represents more than just a crossing. It symbolizes resilience. Built by locals to connect remote communities, it reflects the harsh lifestyle they endure. Crossing it lets you glimpse their world, experiencing firsthand the challenges of this rugged environment. Once across, you're rewarded with sweeping views of the Hunza Valley and the snow-capped Karakoram peaks. Royal Gorge Bridge, USA. The Royal Gorge Bridge in Colorado, USA, is a symbol of thrill and awe, standing nearly 1,000 feet above the Arkansas River. It is the highest suspension bridge in America, challenging anyone brave enough to cross it. With only a few wooden planks between you and the vast canyon below, the height is both exhilarating and unnerving. Originally built in 1929, it once held the title of the world's tallest bridge and still impresses today. As you walk across the bridge, each gust of wind adds to the thrill, making it sway. It feels like you're walking in the sky, surrounded by the dramatic expanse of the canyon. Looking down, you see the Arkansas River snaking through the depths, perhaps even a train winding along the canyon floor. The view is breathtaking, but the real thrill comes from the experience of being suspended over such immense beauty. The bridge is part of Royal Gorge Bridge and Park, which offers scenic views and heart-pounding activities. After crossing, you can ride the sky coaster or zip line to elevate the adventure even further. Crossing the Royal Gorge Bridge isn't just a daring walk, it's an encounter with history and nature. Built as an engineering marvel, it remains a testament to human ingenuity nearly a century later. If you're ready for an adventure that combines beauty with bravery, the Royal Gorge Bridge is waiting for you. Carrick-a-Rede Rope Bridge, Northern Ireland. The Carrick-a-Rede Rope Bridge in Northern Ireland is where adventure meets stunning beauty. Suspended 100 feet above the sea, the bridge connects the mainland to a small island, offering an exhilarating experience. Crossing the swaying rope bridge with cliffs and crashing waves around you is both thrilling and unforgettable. It's a place where nature's raw power is on full display, rewarding each step with incredible views of the North Atlantic coast. Built over 350 years ago by fishermen to check their salmon nets, the bridge carries a deep sense of history. Walking across feels like stepping into an age-old tradition of courage. The crossing itself is an adventure, especially with strong winds and waves crashing below. Once on Carrick-a-Rede Island, you're greeted with breathtaking views of the coastline, with Scotland visible on clear days. The walk to the bridge is equally beautiful, winding along cliff edges dotted with wildflowers. Dramatic sea views and lush green cliffs make it perfect for photographers and nature lovers alike. Crossing Carrick-a-Rede Rope Bridge isn't just about the thrill, it's about connecting with the timeless, rugged charm of Northern Ireland. The history, beauty, and adventure combine to create an experience you won't soon forget. Inca Rope Bridge, Apurimac River, Peru. For 500 years, a unique hand-woven bridge has spanned 92 feet across Peru's Apurimac Canyon. Known as Quetzalcoatl, this Inca rope bridge is rebuilt each year in a sacred ritual. local communities come together, untie the old bridge, and weave a new one from issue grass. The reweaving is a celebration, marked with traditional songs and dances, honoring a deep cultural heritage. However, in 2020, the pandemic forced a halt to this annual event. Without maintenance, the bridge, one of the last surviving Inca rope bridges, collapsed from disrepair. In June 2021, the community reunited to revive Quechua, re-establishing the ancient link across the Apurimac River. This gathering symbolized resilience and the enduring power of tradition. For centuries, Quechua has connected people separated by the canyon, serving as both a physical and cultural bridge. The annual reconstruction keeps history alive and strengthens bonds across generations. Each reweaving renews the community's commitment to preserving the Inca legacy. Stonecutters Bridge, Hong Kong. Stonecutters Bridge in Hong Kong is an engineering marvel stretching across one of the world's busiest ports. Spanning over 1,500 meters above the Kowloon Peninsula, this cable-stayed bridge connects Tsing Yi and Stonecutters Island. Driving across the bridge, you're greeted by the skyline of Hong Kong and the deep blue harbor, creating an unforgettable backdrop. It's a testament to modern engineering that's as visually impressive as it is functional. Stonecutters Bridge is designed to withstand typhoons and high-speed winds, ensuring both strength and stability. Rising 290 meters at its highest point, its cables fan out in an elegant web-like pattern. The bridge seamlessly combines functionality with beauty, making it a true icon of architectural prowess. Engineers from around the globe collaborated on its design, symbolizing international innovation. At night, Stonecutters Bridge takes on an almost magical appearance. Illuminated by LED lights, it glows against the harbor, with reflections shimmering on the water below. The experience of crossing it after sunset, with the city lights twinkling, is nothing short of enchanting. This nighttime scene has made the bridge a favorite subject for photographers and tourists. For visitors to Hong Kong, crossing Stonecutters Bridge is more than just a commute. It's an experience that captures the harmony of engineering, urban life, and art. Whether driving, taking photos, or simply admiring the view, the bridge invites you to appreciate the contrast between nature and human ingenuity. It's a place that leaves a lasting impression, celebrating the power of innovation. Rolling Bridge, London, England. Completed in 2004, the Rolling Bridge by Heatherwick Studio provides access across London's Grand Union Canal and Paddington Basin. This unique bridge curls up into a circular form, inspired by the quiet hydraulics of animatronic dinosaur tails seen in Jurassic Park. When not in use, the bridge coils into an octagon, a mesmerizing feat of design and engineering. Nearby, the Paddington Fan Bridge offers its own striking spectacle. Its shiny steel beams unfold gracefully, resembling a traditional Japanese fan. Unlike the rolling bridge, the fan bridge doesn't curl. Instead, it cantilevers open to let boats pass below. Every Wednesday at midday, visitors gather to watch the fan bridge in action. These two bridges embody the blend of function and art that Heatherwick Studio is known for. Each movement feels intentional, creating a performance that adds vibrancy to London's modern architecture. Both are celebrated examples of how engineering can be both practical and sculptural. Together, they transform Paddington Basin into an open-air gallery of kinetic art. Devil's Bridge, Rhodope Mountains, Bulgaria. Devil's Bridge in the Rhodope Mountains of Bulgaria is where mystery, history, and nature converge. Built in the early 16th century, this stone bridge is wrapped in legends, with some claiming it was constructed by the devil himself. As you approach, the bridge's eerie allure makes it feel like stepping into another world. Imagine standing there, with the Arda River rushing beneath and the untouched beauty of the Rhodope Mountains all around. One of the most intriguing features is the symmetry of its three arches, which, when reflected in the water, resemble an eye. This breathtaking sight becomes even more magical when mist rises over the river, creating an almost supernatural atmosphere. The reflection is said to be a window into another realm, inviting visitors to ponder its mysteries. It's not just a photo opportunity, it's a moment that makes you feel connected to something deeper. The craftsmanship of Devil's Bridge is impressive, considering it was built without modern tools. Each stone is meticulously placed, forming a structure that has endured centuries of natural forces. Walking across the bridge, you can almost feel the weight of history underfoot, as if every step takes you back in time. It's a powerful reminder of the people and stories that have crossed this path over the years. Devil's Bridge is more than just a historical site. It's an experience that connects you to the past. Standing on the bridge, surrounded by the wild beauty of the Rhodope Mountains, you feel a link to the legends that define the place. Whether you love history, nature, or simply the mystical, Devil's Bridge offers an unforgettable journey. And that's it for our journey through 7 awe-inspiring bridges that appear to defy gravity and leave us in awe. These structures are not just feats of engineering, they're stories of ambition, mystery, and the human desire to reach for the impossible. If you love exploring these incredible sites, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dwellscape. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos, so you can continue discovering the world's most amazing places with us. Until next time, keep seeking out the wonders of the world.